Good afternoon. Today, 13 July 2026, and right now time is 3:50 p.m. Presently, I am in Jamudarpara under Purbo Bachaibari ADC village, Tulasikor Agri subdivision, and this is a pineapple garden created under WDC PMKSY 2.0. Implemented during last financial year, that is 2025-26, and here he is Motishan Deborma of Jamudarpara under Purbo Bachaibari. He is actually beneficiary's father, but this plot belongs to Mihir Deborma of Purbo Bachaibari, and actually this the name of this para is Jamudarpara, and he is my implementing officer Satyajit Deborma. So here actually the total area is 1 hectare. Since the crop has planted 7-8 months back, that is last year, maybe in the month of October. So let me ask a few questions to the beneficiary's father, Motishan and Deborma. Da Motish Hakade Ozaganok Je o Anos Kemani Busuk Ozaga Busuk Haichara Kaja Kemne.
35,000 kaikana angasta
Asta tongona ngai tak to bolong hok
hong mai yang to ha
ngai ninmo jagawa u je pukhuri hai nukma kin nin de
abo jan banno
nin banno ngai u ban sakan area rokhai
abo kaya ing na khai bunni
mo ban khai ni no ngai o jaga je nang kai mani tabo moto maximum u chini ko tam ka mo sing calendar himani jata Q variety abo mangsena beksi ngai desi bude chara kicha kichu tong desi mane jeta queen variety mani কয়টা tong na ngai nang mo mane tak de puila hok na gibo hok jak na
hokka hoko iste borong thansa ga bai ko
apno
hok tong ta bin
kai yang o tong na pura area tu ise
habu kai kin ne to tong ma sa sa ta ko
charang
kai mane ba je ko size no
acha
bana wa se ne borong hari hok sa na hi do kubung ni da har ma yang to kha
apno
bisi kubung la da har ma ya
u jaga bo nung no hok jak na ayango hi ko jaga bo so this is means WDC's PMKSY 2.0 pineapple plantation created during last financial year in the plot of Mihir Deborma, and he is the beneficiary's father, Motishan Deborma. And here, as per the statement given by the farmers of means beneficiary's father, altogether around 35,000 pineapple suckers has been planted, but most of the suckers are Q variety. Even some queens are there. Actually, Afrokit inko desi cara niya ko mane queen variety malian bagino o mane Mumbai maka kata calendar jeta chengkiu himane apno so after completion of the jungle cutting, once again we will be coming for updating this plot, since this is the big area, 1 hectare area. So even this lake belongs to him, means he's the beneficiary's father. He's cleaning jungle. Tini lebar kojon tongani na jaka kojon lebar na jakino oh. So this is the condition of the pineapple. I think this is queen variety, thorn is there, but this is Q, and altogether I think 90% or maybe 95% this pineapple are Q variety. I think 10% I will be getting this queen variety. So I really thanks my cultivator Mihir Deborma and his father, and also thanks to my previous PIA, that is a project implementing agency, means SA Orpan Deborma, and my team member of Tulasikor Agri subdivision especially implementing officer Satyajit Deborma, and also Papan Deborma also accompany with us today in this afternoon, since we are looking after some plantation side of oil palm. So he's looking this Patanjali under this Tulashikor Agri Subdivision, who supplied this oil palm under National Mission on Edible Oil Palm, NMEUOP. So already we have received around 14 or 1500 numbers of this seedling of oil palm also. So shortly we'll be we'll be going for one mega plantation program, and I'll talk with the local PRI bodies or maybe our Honorable Minister of Forest regarding this mega plantation program. So actually this is pineapple, once again I'm saying this is pineapple plantation created under WDC PMKSY 2.0 under Tulashikor Agri Subdivision. So once again I thanks each and everyone for watching. Kebo ni kuno sungmung tongkai ba proshno khai sungmano comment boxo bati khai mati scheme rockman. So jotono na hambai chikon sa video nai mani bagai. Thank you.